Good morning, everyone. I'm a moody girl this morning. I haven't had my coffee. I feel so tired. But we just booked our trains to Berlin. So we're heading at 2:30. We've got our bags packed up. We're checking out our Airbnb and that's real heavy. Yeah.
What's in that? Sorry.
Oh, it's alright. All my electronics. Bag's so heavy.
Okay, can you do final checklist?
And yeah, I'm gonna do a final check. I wanted to say on the vlog that I downloaded this currency app and I use it a lot when I'm traveling. You don't need data for it to load, but it's really good, like when you pay for something you can just quickly check how much stuff cost.
Tell them we almost ordered like a £200 Uber yesterday.
Yeah, when we were late for our tour, we were like, oh, let's just get an Uber, 300 zloty. Oh, I was like, oh, it's like £10. I checked, it was 60. So that's really good to have, and it's on your phone and you don't need data. But yeah, we're heading to Berlin today. We need to get a coffee. I'm super excited. So welcome to the vlog, guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Also, we're having a no makeup day. These are my favorite days when I'm traveling. My skin just needs like a little bit of breathing because I've been doing makeup like twice a day.
I brought face masks for the train.
Her Japanese skincare.
So good.
So good.
Fire.
So we've just come to Nap Nap Bistro. Melissa looked up the cafe, said it got really good reviews, so we're gonna get some breakfast and then we're gonna walk to the train station and get on our train. I'm so excited for a travel day. No makeup, I'm gonna do some editing, and yeah, we're gonna have a chilled day. Melissa, listen to the brief. I woke up this morning and I was like, I feel like pancakes. Listen to this. Raspberry cloud waffles, waffles with white chocolate, mascarpone cream with vanilla, raspberry sauce, short crust meringue. You've got Black Forest waffles, you've got pancake with homemade blueberry jam, pancake stuffed with mango jam. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like I need to be good, but I'm also like, I'm on holiday.
Fuck it up.
I can be bad. They've got about 5 different French toast. I think I have to like be bad and get like French toast or pancakes because it looks like this kind of cafe. Just ordered food. I ordered waffles because she recommended it, with 2 poached eggs, a coffee and some orange juice. We're about to get on a train for 7 hours and I do not want to be hungry because the last train ride I was starving and I thought my stomach was going to eat itself. So we're prepping for this train ride. I'm gonna get another coffee at the train station because I need lots of coffee for this train trip. I want to do lots of editing. Orange juice. That slaps. Some of that. Okay. So good. This is what I need after copious amounts of alcohol during Europe. I feel like I should have got the other one. I got like raspberry white chocolate waffles. So good. I'm not a fan of white chocolate, but still really good.
The portions are huge in Poland.
And some fried eggs. Do you know we gotta get that protein? Also, when I'm traveling, I have to remind myself I'm on holiday and I need to enjoy myself, because sometimes I feel like when I go to cafes and stuff, I get really like, not anxious because I don't count calories, but I'm always trying to prioritize the healthy stuff. I'm really happy I got what I wanted. I got waffles. When I get back to London, I can be back in my routine, back in my discipline, back in my diet. But when you're on holidays, it's super important to just live in the moment, because that's all about balance as well too. So, we're gonna have the waffles and we're gonna enjoy them. No, I had them.
Hey, no issue. So we're at the train station now, Glowny, Krakow. I went to the supermarket and I just loaded up on protein bars. These sweets I've been really digging in my travels. Powerade and a water, and they all cost £5. You literally would just get a Powerade for £5 in London. And breakfast was £15 for all that, and I'm so happy I ate that breakfast, because now I'm just going to sit on the train, eat it, drink lots of water and feel a lot better. And yeah, well, our train leaves in half an hour. I'm probably going to get a coffee for the road, so it motivates me to eat it. So yeah, super excited. Next stop, Deutschland. We're at our platform. See you later, Krakow. We love traveling by train. This train cost us £75. It's still just so much more relaxing than going to the airport. We've just been chilling in the station on our phones, having a coffee, and then you just walk up to the platform and jump on a train, as opposed to going through like airport security, getting Ubers to the airport, working out where your gate is. It's just like not relaxing. So I've got a coffee. It's all right. It's not much of a flat white, there's so much foam on there, and I'm getting ready to do a big editing sesh on this train. But see you later, Poland. Dziękuję, Nostrovia, Porsche, Korva. See you next time. Just got on the train and I just realised there's no PowerPoints. And all I wanted to do was edit for 5 hours. The other train had PowerPoints, I don't know why this one doesn't. But I guess I'll be sleeping for the next 5 hours. I'm going to do a little bit of editing, and then I hope the next train has a PowerPoint, because I want to get lots of editing done. But we're in our train seat now. I've got a seat to myself, coffee, and we're going to... Where are we going? Where? Poznan. I think it's in Poland still. Check.
So, like, could you tell me?
We're going to Poznan, Glowny.
The earliest candidate that would the TRC area, how many months it took?
5 hours. We just got on our next train. We're into Deutschland. I'm so excited. We had like 7 minutes to change from each train and we had to like run a little bit, but we got on the train okay. So yeah, they've got charging ports so I can do my editing. So I'm super happy. So next stop, Germany. So it's 9:30 and we're in Frankfurt, we're in Germany. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a protein bar, another one. I had these in Morocco and they tasted like banana bread, they were so good. So when I saw them in the supermarket in Poland, I got like 4. I'm gonna eat this and then when we get off the train, we're gonna go get our first German Döner Kebab. Are they called Döners or kebabs? I think Döners. We're gonna get a German Döner and I'm so excited because I'm starving. Also our train stopped, the police came on, I don't really know why, but tastes like banana bread.
Yeah, it is.
Delicious. Third country, baby! It's only the first week of January. I'm in Germany! This is so exciting! Berlin, 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 Berlin. We in Deutschland! 10-hour train journey was absolutely fine. The second train had port so I could charge my laptop. Almost finished my Italian vlog, so I'm happy. Third country into the first week of January 2025. I have such a good feeling about this year. I'm so positive and I'm so happy and I'm so proud. I'm in Germany. This is awesome. So just bought a single fare ticket. It was €3.80 and then the train came up but it didn't come all the way down the other end of the platform, so we just missed our first train. But it's alright, the next one is in 5 minutes, so. Just came to a doner shop near our house on the corner. I've ordered my first German doner and I'm gonna have a Powerade. I've been living off these. And yeah, I'm super excited. Oh, that looks so good.
Very good.
Oh, that smells good. That looks really good.
Salad complete?
Oh, lots of protein. Danke! I got my first dinner in Germany. I'm so excited. It looks so good. €8. If these were in London, I would have them every day. I know, I was saying €8. I was like, if these were in London, I'd have them every day. Mel's got her, that looks good.
I know, it's just too big for right now.
First doner ever. The bread is so nice. The pita. Compared to my hand. That's so good, guys. I wish you could taste it. The garlic feels good. This is our Airbnb. There's a shower in there, beds, couch, our suitcases, and a nice little kitchen here. Just want a fridge to put some food in. And we actually have like a nice balcony, but I can't see the view because it's nighttime. But I'm gonna have a shower, I'm gonna put my PJs on, and I will see you guys in the morning for our first day in Berlin, Germany. I'm so excited.
Wanna be just like you.